Hello, and welcome to another episode of Uniquely Fountain Hills, a monthly video series designed to spotlight the diversity of businesses in Fountain Hills and encourage residents to shop local. I'm Karen Anderson, your host of Uniquely Fountain Hills. I handle marketing, communications, and member events for the Fountain Hills Chamber of Commerce. This month, we're focusing on education. So today, I'm here at the Fountain Hills Library. Fountain Hills provides top-notch academic programs and a variety of extracurricular opportunities to suit kids of all ages. This town is an amazing place to call home. It is not surprising to know we have a growing population of young families. Along with our beautiful views, Fountain Hills has much to offer in the way of education. If a private school is what you need for your child, Fountain Hills has that as well. The Inspiration Academy is an innovative K-12 private school here in town. We have Lisa Restuccia here with us today to share about the education opportunities provided at the Inspiration Academy.
We really focus on the individual child and the whole child, and not just the workbook and the textbook, but really seeing what their interests are, where their strengths are, where their weaknesses are, and individualize the curriculum towards them. And we involve the community a lot, so there's a lot of community involvement, both the community coming into us and us going into the community. So in addition to the typical subjects that we have, we also incorporate those subjects into our community modules. And we have over 15 community modules. Some of them include nutrition and wellness, garden, performing arts, personal finance, economics, career options. STEM is a large one, cultural studies, historical studies, and everything that we do kind of fits into those 15 modules that we have. So we wrote a grant for an NFL Green grant because the Super Bowl was here. So they offered some grants and we were able to get one to put in our school garden and collaborating with the church here. So we actually picked up 4 garden beds from the community garden here because they're getting new composite ones. So we have 4 of theirs. And we're going to be putting in a really nice garden to where we can grow the vegetables and also cook them, which will blend in with our culinary studies. It is very individualized and we really go off what they are interested in. Plus adding on extra things because we're like, they may not have heard of this or they may not have had this opportunity yet, so let's get them interested in it. We're a big family. Everybody loves each other here. We don't really deal with any of the bullying, and it's just one big happy family. And I think another good thing with the high school being here is you don't have that typical behavior that you do from middle or high school students. We don't have the issue with the drugs or any of that negative peer pressure. And because it's like a family setting to where they're with younger people as well, they really see themselves as mentors. So they keep their behavior better than what they would if they were just around their own age group. Because it's individualized and because it's multi-age, they don't have to be on the same curriculum. So if they are below grade level, if they're at grade level or above, we meet them where they are and help them grow from there.
Thank you, Lisa. We enjoyed hearing all about the holistic, personalized approach your school has to offer. If you're considering a private school for your child, you can feel confident the Inspiration Academy will provide a nurturing environment with a growth mindset where your child will be supported as they set and achieve their goals.